turn the music down.
What is up, PJ?
What's up, guys? It's fucking early in the morning. It's like 5 in the morning. We didn't sleep at all.
It's this early outside. It's this bright outside. All right, guys. So this is PJ. Hashtag Mexico GTR. Coming from you straight from Dallas, Texas. Hashtag Carrollton. Addison. So today we are working on, or actually pulling an engine out of a Subaru. This has an IEG short block that unfortunately has some rod knock. So we have to pull it out, and our goal is to get it out in how long, PJ?
2 hours.
So we got 2 hours to basically pull this baby. We got it on the lift. We're about to raise it up and get the undercarriage piece of it, and then we will drop it, knock everything else out. So wish us luck. We got, what time is it right now?
It is
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock on the
or
dot.
5 o'clock, as PJ would say. and so we got till 10 to get this thing out. So let's see if we can make it happen.
When you say that, is that how you really feel? When I do that, is that what you really mean? When I say that, will you come home? When I do that, will you come home?
All right, guys, just a quick video update. I don't know if I have crap all over my face, but I don't care. We are about 35 minutes in, and we have the trans disconnected, basically all the wiring harness. PJ's taking off the main harness, and then it should be good. We have motor mounts disconnected. Down pipe is still connected, but all the bolts are out of it. So
Fuel lines.
yeah, fuel lines are disconnected. Power steering disconnected. So what we like to do is pull it out as one, and then disassemble it, take off the timing and all that, because it's way easier. So now what we're going to try to do is make sure there's nothing else connected, and then pull it, PJ?
Yep, that's it.
And then it's done deal. Hopefully this thing we'll never have to put this engine back in. So we have hit a little roadblock. PJ's trying to go home.
Shut up.
No, we have to go get an engine hoist for our cherry picker. Odessa Dasani. We are back at it. We came back. We got the engine hoist, engine leveler, and we are about to hook it up. Even with this time, what do we still got? Like 40 minutes left, PJ?
Yeah, no, like 50.
50 minutes. So we still got like a little less than an hour to get it out. And then we're gonna disassemble it. So good luck to us. Recording the whole thing, so that's good. All right, guys, so let's see. It is 9:29, and we almost have it out. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out, get it on an engine stand, and then just start taking the heads and stuff off and getting it to a short block so we can hit up IEG and see what's up with the warranty. I'm gonna drop it on a tire, get the car out, and then start disassembling the engine. But good stuff, PJ.
Good shit.
Did work, knocking it out. So here is an update on the car. Everything's got oil on it everywhere, like build up.
deep. Look at this one.
Yeah, it's a lot of ports. So we're just taking it apart. We're probably only like 10 minutes in of taking everything out, basically.
Disassembly?
Yeah, disassembly, thank you. Can't talk today. And we already got the top part off. Now it's the turbo, the headers, take the timing off, and then we can pull the heads off. So once we get to that point, then it's basically a short block, and we can kind of look internally and see if we see any major failures. But as of right now, it definitely does not look good. Like I said earlier, this is a IAG short block. I think it's a stage 2 tough block. It's a open deck EJ25 quad B engine. So assembled by IAG, and then we put the long block on basically together. So we're going to get to knocking this out before PJ goes so we can go eat, and we'll make some progress. All right, guys, it is 10:50, and we got the long block disassembled, and it's basically all we got to do is take the cam covers off, and then take the water pump off, oil pump off, and then we'll have a short block, and we're going to send it to IAG that way. We're about to go eat before PJ leaves, so we're going to clean up so we don't smell like we have for the last 2 days. But other than that, I think we're pretty much done for today, at least. I'm tired. I'm sure PJ is too, because we worked for like 3 days straight. But yeah, that was about all it takes to get a Subaru engine out and disassembled. It's a lot easier than
anything else.
Yeah, it's probably faster than pulling spark plugs. But so that's it, guys. Appreciate you for watching. Like, subscribe. Shout out Mexico GTR. I'll put a link to his Instagram. Peace.